To assemble your new oven stand, you will need a 7/16 socket wrench, open end wrench, and a torque wrench. Find a flat table or floor to work on. Open and unpack the box. You should have 12 stand members, a hardware kit, and 32 nuts and bolts and 64 flat washers, a set of reference drawings, and an install kit to mount the oven to the stand. We will assemble the stand upside down. The reference drawings show all models, so you will need to identify your model. Take extra care to make sure the holes in the top channel match the orientation to the front. Some stands are reversible and it doesn't matter. Lay out the members before bolting together and verify the holes match the drawing. Insert the bolts with a washer on the head and the nut. The nuts should be on the inside. Loosely tighten the nuts. Step 2, we will assemble the legs. Set the leg inside the top channel. Insert bolts with washers on the head and the nut and loosely tighten them. Again, the nuts should be on the inside. Repeat to assemble all 4 legs. Step 3 is to install the cross members. Remember to use a washer on both ends with the nuts on the inside. Loosely tighten the nuts. When placing the cross member, you will need to keep it level to keep it from binding in the corner. Make sure the corner angles are not misaligned. Once all the pieces are loosely assembled, you can tighten the nuts. Start with the top channel nuts first. This will ensure the stand will remain level. Next, tighten the legs and the cross members. Use a torque wrench to tighten all nuts to 75 to 100 inch-pounds. Once assembled, you are ready to install your oven on the stand using the supplied install kit.